not the only thing spinning up in the Northeast. Check out this dust devil that went round and round in Central Park.
Wow, witnesses said that the spiraling column reached 50 feet up into the air. A pedicab even rolled into it before it went away.
I wonder if the passengers were like, let's go through it. Oh my gosh, that's wild.
Cool. Wow.
That's a really good dust devil.
It is.
So we know it's a dust devil, not a tornado, because, well, there's not a cloud in the
Yeah, exactly. Clear skies out there for you, but yes, indeed. Would you go running through that?
No. Do you want a mouthful like of dust?
That's the thing, right? It's like people think, oh, it's just going to be fun, but no, you've got dust swirling around, and that's all in your mouth, in your nose, in your eyes.
I don't know. Maybe we would do it, right?
I would. Why not?
Why not? You're a meteorologist. You got to. Oh, well, good morning, everyone. Thank you for choosing America's Morning Headquarters to get you through the mid-morning hours.
I'll track the Weather Channel here to help you plan out for the next several days. Of course, getting into the weekend. Of course, we've been dealing with a system now that's organizing a bit more right along the Gulf. It's not in a hurry to get out of here, but it's bringing in the moisture and keeping things a bit wet right along the Gulf Coast. Florida as well. We've seen some big downpours there.
Yes, some big rain, big washouts, road issues. We'll get to all of that. Now, it's been a pretty dry week for many other spots. That's going to change for the weekend.
Yeah, get ready for that. And doggone weather. Yeah, not keeping one pup from getting into the out there. We're going to talk to a dog owner and the dog.
And the dog. You've seen this dog on our air quite a few times, so I can't wait to speak to his human.
All right, well, first, though, it is breaking developments in the fires that are threatening parts of the Northeast. High wind and dry conditions really fanning flames in New Jersey. One fire actually sparked up there in the New York City suburb of Teaneck. Now, the bigger one, that's actually scorched 2,500 acres, not far from Philly. Last night, firefighters contained about 10% of what was then a 500-acre blaze. But overnight, the gusts picked up, and now at least 75 buildings could be in the path of the fire. That's prompting evacuation orders. Jen?
This is our second day of red flag warnings here in the Northeast, and it's still concerned today. We've got really dry conditions. The ground is dry. We haven't had a lot of rain recently. The air, though, is really dry, most importantly, and that's why we've got red flag warnings and fire weather watches. So fire weather watch in Pennsylvania, red flag warning in Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, pretty big areas. The factors in play are the fact that temperatures are warm and the dew points are low. So that's a really big spread between the high temperature and the low dew points here. So very dry air out there. This is the dew point forecast for today. I saw some teens and 20s earlier this morning up here into New England, and it's really not going to recover that much today. So we'll have dew points in the 30s. Air temperatures are soaring. We've got record potential in the next few days, and we're on our way to that today. So we're going to be watching for this concern through the day. And because we have the dry air in place and it's going to be windy, if a fire is sparked, it could spread pretty easily. And that raises the concern on these red flag warning kind of days. Right now, winds are calm into Hartford. They're going to pick up. Winds could be 20, 25 miles per hour or greater. Even Boston, you see that up to 35 this afternoon. So no outside burning. Be careful with any cigarette butts here. And even your vehicle, if it's not running right, there's a spark, that could actually spark a wildfire. So be careful out there. Alex.
Well, parts of the Gulf Coast will be swamped by flooding rain.